Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2018 Dodge Charger Hellcat. This one is part of our pre-owned inventory with only 600 miles on it. Sounds great, don't it? Nice red leather back here. Harman Kardon audio system. What an awesome car. Put that up at 65 because it's cold in here. There's panoramic sunroof, Hellcat logo. Ugh. Just absolutely awesome. For 2018, the Charger Hellcat had its 707 horsepower when fitted with the red key. Today, we're fitted with the black key. That gives you only 500 horsepower, you know, because you won't die with 500. Keep in mind, I have the suspension in track mode, so that's why it's awfully bumpy through. You know what? No. Auto. Just so you can see the difference. Auto's nice and smooth. Not too bumpy at all. It's just crazy, frankly. You know, that you can get a sedan with 700 horsepower. It's nuts. Like, who would need that? But everybody wants it, and that's the awesome part. The only transmission available in any Charger is your ZF-sourced 8-speed automatic. Hellcat, it's been tuned a bit, and you can customize anything you want with the transmission. You can adjust your traction control, your suspension. It's just nutty. Now there's a Trackhawk. So, you might be wondering how a different key can lower the horsepower by over 200 horsepower. I figured out how they do it. It leaves the Supercharger wastegate open, so the Supercharger doesn't build boost. That's why you might be like, I don't really hear the Supercharger as loud as normal. The black key really, well, you'll get maybe 4 or 5 PSI from the Supercharger, but you won't get all the pressure it needs in order to make the 700. Actually, believe it or not, on my personal YouTube channel, my most popular video is a test drive in a 2018 Charger Hellcat. So it's kind of funny now, I just thought about this, how everything has come full circle. Here I am driving a Charger Hellcat. I have a Challenger. You know, it's crazy how many things have changed. My entire camera setup has changed since that video. That was the pothole, not the car. Don't worry, I didn't break it. I should have begged and pleaded just a little bit more to have the red key. No. Black key. Perfectly fine. Oh, man. It's amazing the difference between track and street mode. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.